guys! Welcome back to my channel. Good evening! It is now 7:17 in the evening. So may pupuntahan kami ni Miss J right now. Currently naghahantay kami ng bus dito sa Public Health Center for Dindeng. Yun lang yung pangalan, hindi talaga siya health center. 18 minutes yung bus. Tapos ang inaantay namin na bus number is number 13. Meron kaming special na pupuntahan. I will take you there with us.
What's 13? What's 13 in ภาษาไทย
Sip Sam
รถ
Rod Sip Sam is Road 13.
Bus 13
Bus 13. Okay. Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba? Hey! Hey! Kaya mo ba to? Hindi kami ba to? Para magpatalo, jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Hey! Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day and today is yung pauwi natin ng Pilipinas. This trip has been amazing and I'm glad that I got to experience it with you guys and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. So with that being said, samahan nyo na akong umuwi. See you guys later.
Terminal 1.
Yes, departure.
Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, nandito na tayo sa Dongmuang Airport, Terminal 1. Check-in lang tayo ng luggage natin, okay? So yun guys, we're currently waiting for the baggage drop counter to open. Mag-open siya ng 9:20. It is just 9:02. So I'll see you guys later if we're gonna drop our luggage already. Pag i-drop na natin yung luggage natin, okay? Okay, thank you. Guys, so kailangan ipa-x-ray machine ito. Wala ata silang built-in x-ray machine. So ayun, wait lang. Currently waiting in line for the x-ray machine. Hi guys, so okay na. Na drop na natin yung luggage. Tapos andito na tayo sa loob after immigration. By the way, so mag-luggage drop off muna kayo or kailangan nyo munang baggage drop kung meron kayong luggage na kailangan i-check in. After that, diretso na ng immigration. And then, after that, i-check yung hand carry nyo as usual. And then, ayun. Dire-diretso na sa loob. Actually, mabilis lang. Actually, sobrang bilis lang nung palabas. So, ayun. I guess I'll just see you guys in the Philippines. Hi guys! Nandito na ako sa Philippines and nag-aantay ako currently ng Grab papuntang Genesis bus sa May Pasay because I'm gonna go home na and I'm gonna go home specifically to Baguio City. Hi guys! So yun na nga. I've been back for a few weeks now from Thailand and ayun. I had fun. Alam niyo yan. So, right now, I am back home. Nga pala nakatira ako sa Baguio. And what we'll do now is I want you guys to come with me. Dahil tamang-tama, nagugutom ako. So, ayun. Right now, pupunta tayo or samahan niyo ako. Pupunta tayo sa, I don't know, siguro sa University of Baguio kasi may food court doon. Tapos samahan niyo din ako papuntang SM Baguio. By the end of this video, meron akong i-reveal, big reveal. Okay? So stay tuned. Ayan guys, so palabas na tayo ng condo. So actually walking distance lang ako from SLU and from UB, SLU, St. Louis University, pero SLU Hospital kasi medyo malayo ang SLU University. Pero walking distance lang ako from or to University of Baguio. Ayan. Lakad lang tayo. So ayun, paakyat siya. Pag hindi ka taga Baguio, nakapagod. Hingal. Pero since taga Baguio ako, may hingal pa rin. Tawid na tayo. Huwag niyo akong gagayahin. Hindi ako tumawid dun sa may pedestrian lane. Pero since walang sasakyan, I think medyo safe naman. So yun, kung napapansin nyo dun sa mga tags ko, Baguio Boy nakalagay kasi although I did not or I was not born and raised here in Baguio City, I am currently residing here in Baguio City for more than 10 years na. So ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayun guys, lakad-lakad lang. If I'm not mistaken, ito ang SLU Elementary School. Gate 4. At yan naman, itong building na to, let me zoom you in. Yan. Yung building na yan, mahaba yan. That is our hospital, one of our hospital, major hospitals. Private. It's called Notre Dame Hospital. Hey, no? There you go. So, papasok yan. Malaki yan sa loob. Again, this is the SLU Elementary School. Tatawid tayo. Okay, naglalakad na tayo papunta sa UB Square or University of Baguio Square, which is basically a big cafeteria. Pero hindi siya, again, privately owned by UB or University of Baguio. May mga vendors lang na nagre-rent doon. So this is University of Baguio. There you go. Parking area. At pag dinire-diretso mo yan, Session Road na. Pero again, ang pinunta natin dito ay street food. Guys, as you can see, most of the time, this is fully packed ng students. Ayan, ang dami nila. Kasi usually, well, it's 11:03, almost lunch. Guys, I gave up. Masyadong maraming tao. So maghanap na lang tayo ng ibang spot para kumain or maghanap ng street food dito sa Baguio. Kasi I think maling oras din kasi punong-puno ng mga students ng UB. Syempre, lunchtime or almost lunchtime. So, hayaan na natin silang pumila doon at kumain. Maghanap na lang tayo ng ibang location. Guys, doon tayo galing. So pag bumaba ka dito, dire-diretso pababa. May mga makikita ka ditong mga maliliit na food stalls. Pakita ko sa inyo. Guys, mukhang halos lahat ng mga food stalls dito around the University Belt or within the University Belt is closed. Na-realize ko kasi Saturday pala. Kaya siya close. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is punta na lang tayo ng SM, tapos tingin na lang tayo na makakain doon. Okay? Lakad tayo papuntang SM. Fast forward. Alam nyo na. Welcome to Session Road, everyone. Ayan, Session Road. Guys, gusto niyo bang makita yung Christmas tree ng Baguio sa center? Bongga, di ba? Mukha siyang stained glass. From afar ganito. Ganda, di ba? So, ayan. Akit na tayo ng SM. Andiyan na yung SM. So, dito tayo sa baba. Ayoko na umakyat dun sa taas. Guys, nga pala, this one is another major university in Baguio City, which is UC, University of the Cordilleras. Ganda dyan. Yung gym nila underground, laban. Siyempre, tapat na tapat niya ang SM. Laban. So, welcome to SM Baguio City. Punta muna tayo dun sa gitna para makita niyo yung design ng bonggang-bonggang SM Baguio. Oh. Laban. Actually guys, maganda ngayon dito sa SM Baguio City kasi hindi masyadong maraming tao. Kahapon talaga. Saturday ngayon o Friday kahapon, grabe yung tao kahapon. Actually parang ang weird. Alam niyo yung dinaanan natin yung parang mga bus. Ang daming pauwi kahapon. So ayan, eto yung design nila. SM Baguio City. Ngayong Christmas. And for me, ang ganda naman. In fairness naman. O diba, effort is real. So yun, right now, samahan niyo ako maghanap muna ng kakainan natin kasi gutom na ako. 11:21 na and di pa ako kumakain. As in, wala pa. So, dalhin ko kayo sa mga favorite na restaurants ko. Hindi naman favorite, pero meron kasi akong favorite na dish doon na sila lang yung kayang gumawa. Which is yung nachos nila. Pero hindi siya yung normal na nachos na, alam mo yun, yung puro cheese. Dito kasi sa Baguio, since mura dito ang vegetables, as you guys know, ang kakainin natin is yung parang homegrown na restaurant dito sa Baguio. Which is this one. Don Henrico's, which is, well, what we call is Don Hen. So, ito yung menu nila. Na naka-plastic cover. Diba? Good morning, ate. Merong is for one.
Meron din tayo sa veranda, sir.
Sa labas na.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, kakain tayo sa labas, guys. Ito palang Don Hen. If I'm not mistaken, dalawa to. Isa dito sa SM, tapos isa doon sa Session Road, sa lower session. Ayan, upo muna tayo here. So, yun guys, ang kukunin ko is this nacho salad olay. Ayan, and siguro magbe-bake lasagna ako. And siguro for drinks, I'm guessing siguro ano na lang. Siguro tubig ang mahal. So ayun guys, it has been a couple of weeks. Sabi ko nga since I got back from Thailand. And ayun, nagpapahinga lang ako, catch up sa trabaho and everything. I really had fun in Thailand. Did you guys have fun in Thailand? Lalo na yung last day natin, ang saya. So, what is the big news? So, may flight tayo. And I want you guys sana to come with me. So, ayun. Yun ang big news. We'll stay there for... Basta. Well, you just have to watch the videos. This is now my 8th or 9th time. And yeah. So, I want you guys sana to go with me. And again, let's enjoy the adventure together. So, ayun. Yun lang. So, right now, inaantay ko lang yung order ko dito sa Don Henrico. And again, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nagsasubscribe, mga bagong subscribers. And then if you're new here sa channel, welcome to the family. And if you're, you've been a subscriber for a long time now, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. And I think, yun na muna. Ikakat ko muna yung video dito. Siyempre, I'll take you with me along the ride, from Baguio City, going to Manila, tapos airport, tapos the usual stuff, okay? So again, thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to leave a comment, click on that like, and click on that notification bell, tapos mag-subscribe na rin kayo guys, kasi nasa 158 pa lang tayo. Pabuti naman natin ng medyo mataas-taas, di ba? Chares. So again, thank you so much for watching this video and all of my videos and my Thailand videos, and for watching in advance sa lahat ng mga future videos natin. Again, thank you so much and I love you guys. Mwah.